Hi there, Mila. I hope you are doing great because I am completely excited about what we are up to. On Friday, I finalized the application and I've heard back from the funding source. They were asking a couple questions. They also were asking if I am ready to start on the 15th of September. And I said yes, because, I'm already putting together all the materials for you. And of course, making a list, we will then move forward from there because I like to hear your preferences when it comes then to create the pieces for sale. But today, I just want to bring you the news that your part is done. We have 9 people, 9 wonderful women from the region. One of them is you, and it will be exciting journey. It will be exciting where we are starting, and even more exciting where this can go for you. And for the starters, of course, I don't have the yes yet. There will be meeting and the lovely person I was talking to said they are setting up the meeting targeting next week. And by the end, I hope by the end of next week, when I do the next weekend email for you, I will have the first information. But you know what? I'm not the person who waits. We need to be ready. So I would like that you spend some thoughts on what is then required on your side on space. Think about where you want to create these pieces. And like I said, it will be recorded. So, and then there will be recorded training with explanation, but there will be also live meeting where we discuss what you've seen, where you have a question, where you need to find some solutions. So like I said at the beginning, I'm all yours. For 3 months, I put aside everything. I blocked my calendar with my other work, and I am yours. So your part right now, it's just to think about finding a space in your home, and it can be table, which way ever you want to take it. I remember I was traveling in an RV and I was painting my scarves on the floor. So there 100% is a space for you that you will find, I'm sure. But I will share a screen from the recent workshop where Leanda participated, so she is very much aware with that. But I will show you a few pieces that you will need in your home to go through the training. And I see, do I have some hair here? No, oh, it's my chain. Okay, sorry. So I will share the screen and show you a few pieces that you can already think about and getting ready and get excited, because I want you to think about already what you are going to benefit from, how you will use the knowledge and the money that you will be making, and start to think about it, because success, as I learned that, has much to do with knowing what it is, what you are going to create. You are not creating silk scarves. You are creating means to generate income that benefits you or your family. There is more to it. And this is the creative energy that will decide of your success. And there is no end to it. We are just at the beginning, and I'm completely, you hear it. I'm completely excited about you. I so appreciate your commitment. So let me just quickly share this one picture I took at the at the at the July workshop, and just point to a few pieces that you need to have at home. Okay, one is hair dryer or heat gun. I'm using for the drying myself heat gun, but for the beginners, I suggest hair dryer because the heat gun is very powerful. So with hair dryer, there is not as much heat, and I will show you in the training how to use it properly so it will work. Then you will need an iron, and ideally you have also ironing board. If you don't have an ironing board, I know some people just use the kitchen counter or any table with some towels and layers on it and cotton blanket. So, but you need an iron, because what we do is we need to fix the work that you do with heat, and that's done with iron. And of course, you will need to have, if you have small children running around, you need to be careful. But this is what you need: hair dryer, iron, some cups for the paint, or better say for the water. Not many, because you will also have like small bottles with paint. This is not shown here because in the workshop I was using like larger bottles of paint. You will get also this specialized silk painting markers that they do the same work. They're easy to use. They're for introduction and for you then play with it when you are embellishing your work. You will need at home, so come back to what you need at home: paper towel, just to make sure that if there is any spill, you can clean it up instantly. You will need some kind of protection. I can give you in the package a plastic apron, but you can use some, craft shirt or whatever you use. And what else is here? Newspaper. You will need a newspaper. So I suggest you start to collect already now, because we will be setting up the workspace with a newspaper. And another thing for the workspace you need, which this red thing is here, is this party plastic tablecloth, available in any dollar store. And there is something you 100% have at home: tea towel or small towel. We will be using it to, in the process, we need to wring out the water out of the silk. So this is something you can already think about: hair dryer, iron, tea towel or small towel, newspaper, and how you call it, kitchen towels. Okay. So this is it for today. Get excited. Think about what this will do for you. It's real gift, and I look forward to letting you know more. And so this is it for today. Have a lovely rest of the weekend and great week. And I will be back latest on the next weekend with a new email. Usually I'm sending them out on Sunday. So have a great day, great week. And I'm so proud of you. I look forward to meeting you in person, and I so look forward to the creation that will come out of your hands. So this is Mila. Have fun and enjoy whatever you do.